In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play GTA with a keyboard and mouse on Xbox and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to play any version of GTA, specifically GTA 5, on the Xbox One using a keyboard and mouse, I'm going to visit the Xbox One page for the game and see whether or not they list keyboard and mouse support. So if you go over to the Xbox store through this website or through the console itself, you will be able to find the GTA 5 store page. Now, when you visit GTA 5 for Xbox One, you can browse through all of the features of the game, so you can see all the supported languages, all the additions of the game, and all the capabilities. In this page, you will notice that there is no mention of the option to use a keyboard and mouse when playing this at your console. What you would expect to do is to simply connect a USB keyboard and USB mouse, and natively they would be picked up and ready to use. If you try doing that inside of the game, however, you will notice that even though you can use the keyboard and mouse maybe for Xbox menus or to even talk in the game chat, you will not be able to actually control your aim using the mouse or move around using WASD and sprinting, running, walking, jumping, etc. So as of today, is it even possible to use a keyboard and mouse natively on the Xbox One to play GTA? Sadly, as it stands today, and as you might expect from either trying it out or hearing it from other people, it is impossible to use a keyboard and mouse on GTA on the Xbox One. This is the case for both Xbox and also PlayStation. It seems that Rockstar went out of their ways to natively block the usage of keyboard and mouse on consoles, so even if you can connect them to a console using USB like I mentioned, you will not be able to use them to play the game. You can only control certain aspects of GTA if you are using a keyboard and mouse on a console. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that as of today, unless Rockstar themselves release an update that addresses this, it will stay impossible to use a keyboard and mouse on GTA on the Xbox One. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.